Hey all, it's Jay from Sophos Support here. We'll be going over how to install Sophos Endpoint on a gold image so that every instance of a virtual machine created from that gold image gets its own unique identity. First, we'll go over the prerequisites before prepping the gold image device. The gold image device must be a Windows OS. You'll need to have Sophos Endpoint or server fully installed on the gold image device. And also make sure there are no update failures or communication issues on the device and that the device has a green status. The steps we cover apply to Sophos Endpoint, Sophos Server, and Sophos Intercept X. For VMware Horizon and Citrix, the Sophos MCS client service must manually be set to automatic delayed start for a unique ID to be obtained by the new computer. We'll cover this later in the video. If using non-persistent VDIs, we suggest that you use the base policy as the policy to be applied to the gold image device. This is because every time you create a new instance using this gold image, the new instance will only have the base policies applied to it. The device will not retain group membership since its name and identity will be new. The last thing I'll mention is that server lockdown and/or an update cache on a gold image device is currently unsupported. There are two ways to set up your gold image device. You can manually delete the files on the device that associates the device's identity with Central, or modify our existing script, which will do the same. When a new instance is created based on that gold image device, those files will be regenerated to create a unique identity. The link to the script is available in our KB article linked in the video description. We'll be going over the scripted method today as it's generally the fastest, but the steps to delete the files manually are available in the KBA link in the video description. The first thing that you'll have to do is download the script onto the gold image device. Once you've downloaded the script, which just to note is going to be a text file, we'll need to go ahead and modify it. Let's take a look at our script. To make this work, we'll be replacing the gold image hostname, TP password, and the registration token entries with the actual information from the gold image device. First, we'll grab the hostname of the gold image device. We'll do this by opening a command prompt and issuing the command hostname pipe clip on the gold image device. This will copy the output of the hostname command to our clipboard. Great tip, by the way, using pipe clip at the end of any command will copy its output. Next, let's open up our script and we'll replace the gold image hostname with the hostname we copied. Next is the tamper protection password. We'll grab this from Sophos Central by going to the devices section and going to either computers for an endpoint or servers for a server. Once we have the tamper protection password, we'll want to copy it and replace the TP password in the script with the password we copied. Lastly, we're going to copy the registration token, which ties the device to your central dashboard. To get this, we'll open the file config.xml located in the folder C, Program Data, Sophos, Management Communication System, Endpoint, Config. Remember, program data is a hidden directory, so if you're navigating manually, you'll need to show hidden items or just type in the full path. In the config.xml, we'll see the registration token in between the strings registration token. So let's go ahead and highlight and copy that. Now, going back to our script, we simply replace the registration token string in the script with the token we copied. Now, the script is modified. And remember, if you're using VMware Horizon or Citrix, you'll need to perform the following. Disable tamper protection, run services as an administrator, and change the startup type for the Sophos MCS client service to automatic delayed start. Once you're done, make sure to re-enable tamper protection. To run the script, we'll need to modify it from a text file to a batch file. Hit Save As and append the extension .bat to the file name and change the Save As type to All Files. Remember, when the script is run, it must be run from an administrative command prompt window. Once you have a command prompt window open, change directory to where you have the script located. In this instance, we have it on the desktop. Then, run the script. The device is now ready to be prepped for imaging. Remember, this device has no identity, so the next time it's rebooted, it will register as a new device in Sophos Central. So don't reboot the device before you prep it, or else you'll essentially undo everything you just did with the script. And it's that simple. Hope this video cleared things up for you. Like this video if it did, and drop a comment on what videos you would like to see in the future. Check out the in-depth documentation for this video in the video description, and check out techvids.sophos.com for more great videos like this one. Bookmark TechVids, subscribe on YouTube, follow our socials, and view and post questions on community.sophos.com. We do it all. This is Jay, signing off.